Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will look out the new ITR filing portal or e-filing portal we can say. It looks like this, and on the front page you can see the information over here, the new update, and on the left hand side you can see there are various other link, like if you want to link your Aadhaar with your PAN card, there's a link called link Aadhaar. And if you want to verify your Aadhaar linking with PAN card, you can check in the link Aadhaar status. There are other link as well wherein you can verify your PAN, you can download your PAN card. But in this video we'll be looking more about e-filing, and you can see guided tour of the portal, so you can click that link and check out the helpful information related to e-filing. And on the top corner you can see there are two options, login and register. If you are already registered user, then you can click on login, but if you are new to the portal you can click on register, and you can see over here get started, select taxpayer and then put your PAN card. After putting PAN card you can click continue, and once you click continue you will be taken to the field details section, wherein you will be filling out the details related to your account, like address, your username, your name, surname and all, and then you have to verify your details. After that you have to secure a account, and then you have to create a password for your own. After creating password you have to click on login, and your user ID will be your PAN card. Here I am entering my PAN card, and then after entering I have to click continue. Okay, once I click continue I have to select this option, and then I have to put my password over here, the password that I have created earlier, and then continue. This will take me to the portal, and in the portal on the left hand side I can see my profile details and activity log, when I last logged in, when I last logged out, you can see. And over here you can see the ITR that you are going to be you are going to file for assessment year 2022-23. so current on today's date, that is on April 2nd, it's showing over here that currently it's not enabled for me, and it will be enabled shortly. Once it is enabled I will be able to file the ITR for the financial year 21-22, and if you say assessment year, there will be 22-23. And there are various other information on the top bar. You can navigate those and find out the more details related to it. And if you have any queries or concern or question, you can definitely put in the comment section. Over here you can see we have one option, view, download or ePAN, that is you can check the status of PAN card or you can download PAN. There is one more useful link over here. You can see that is annual information statement. In this statement it contains the consolidated report for the whole year. Well, this was all in this video, and in case if you have any queries, question, put in the comment section. I will try to answer the same over there. And thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.